to the Eebd I had shown in my last video. Now I'm showing you a different kind of a Eebd. This is a trainer Eebd I'm using for the video. This is a different kind of a Eebd. Still, it is still the same. The work is same, emergency escape breathing device, but it is a more compact kind of an Eebd. Once you open the box, you get something like this. This is the total Eebd. Very light, very compact, and very easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Right? Use is fairly simple. We open it from here. We remove. It is very simple. It is connected to the box here. Once I remove it from the box, the air starts to flow. The air starts to flow on, and all I have to do is to put this strap around my neck. You can see this piece. This piece goes into your mouth, within your teeth. Hold it with your teeth. And there is one nose clip here. You just put this nose clip on your nose, put this thing on your mouth, and you can just start breathing. Again, it is this small cylinder has got air for 15 minutes. You can use this device for escape only, not to be used for any work or any rescue, only and only for escape. So the fundamental remains the same, but this is a very compact unit and is fairly easy to use.